Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in Settings, go to Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. This gets you straight to color filters. Once here, turn color filters on to see the live preview because visual feedback matters. You should choose an initial filter type: grayscale, red/green, or blue/yellow, depending on what you need. Make sure to enable the accessibility shortcut so you can toggle filters with a triple click of the side button. This first step saves you time when testing different looks. Now pick the filter that matches your goal. For color correction, choose Proton or Deutin, or use Color Tint for a uniform shift. Once selected, drag the intensity and hue sliders slowly. Small changes make big differences, so adjust in 5–10% increments. You can test using Photos or Open Camera to preview live. This reveals how apps and UI elements will render. If you're correcting for an eye condition, compare presets to confirm which improves contrast and recognition the most. Finish by exiting Settings and using the accessibility shortcut to toggle the filter quickly. This helps you test in real usage. You must test across apps, the lock screen, and when watching video to ensure the filter behaves consistently. If colors revert or don't apply, restart the iPhone, check for iOS updates, and confirm the accessibility shortcut is assigned. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings only. That preserves data while returning display options to defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.